Oh, good day, guys. You're welcome to Browse Text to YouTube channel. Today, I'll be showing you how to activate CarLife Chain coin on your Trust wallet and get a free token worth of $1 million US. And this video is going to be a kind of review to the coin, if it's real or not. So I've been getting a lot of questions from people recently because the screenshot has been flying through the internet. The screenshot has been circulating around the internet, and people are asking me how they can get it. Some people that have already gotten it, they are asking how to withdraw it. So this video is going to show you how to activate the coin. If it's real or fake, you're going to know in this video, and if you can withdraw it, we're going to reveal it to you in this video. In this video, I'm going to divide it into 3 sections. The first section is going to show you how to activate the CarLife Chain coin and get free $1 million US or more. And I'm also going to tell you the history of the coin. If it's real or not, we're going to know right here. And if you can withdraw the coin, I'm going to tell you right in this video. You're welcome. You're welcome back. For the purpose of this video, I have created a new wallet so that I can do everything here, and you too, you will know how you can activate it if you want to activate it. And towards the end of this video, I'm going to tell you the kind of wallet that you should use for this kind of stuffs. So in order to prevent yourself from some risk, in order not to expose your wallet to some risk. So I'm going to tell you the best wallet you can use. So let's go in. If you want to activate the CarLife Chain, so you're going to get almost 1 billion free CarLife Chain, and you're going to have more than $1 million US in your balance. So if you want to activate it, all you have to do is to go to new coin section. Like, you want to activate new coin to your multi wallet. So once you click on it, I will drop a contract address for CarLife Chain token. I will drop it for you in the description section of this video. Copy the contract address. Once you copy the contract address, there are 2 ways you can add the coin to your wallet. You either paste the contract address here. It will show you no assets fund. Then you click on add custom token. Once you click on add custom token, you'll be taken to this place directly. Or you do this. Once you get to this page, you scroll down all the way to the lower section, then you will see add custom token. You can also click on add custom token. You'll be redirected to the same place. So all you have to do is we are using Ethereum network, and Ethereum network is already there. So all you have to do, once you've copied the contract address that I'll be dropping for you in the description section of this video, once you get here, then you click on this paste. Click on paste. Once you click on paste, then it will appear. The contract address will be entered automatically. The name of the coin will be entered automatically. The symbol of the coin will be entered automatically, and the decimal of the coin will be entered automatically. So if you want to do your own, don't edit this box to paste manually. Just click on paste command. If you've copied another thing, after copying the contract address, go back to the contract address and copy it again. Make sure it's the last thing you copied to your clipboard. Then come back here and click on paste. Once you click on paste, you will get this details. So all you have to do here is to alter the decimal. Once you edit the decimal box, erase the 8 that is written there and put 0. Once you put 0, click on done. Once you click on done, here it comes. Then you'll be given 1 billion IOV, which is CarLife Chain, for free. And you can see, as you can see here, this is $920,983 $983. So this is because if you check the upper section of this video where the performance of the coin is showing, you will see that the coin has been devaluated. It has dipped by 48%, which is the reason why the amount you are having right now is not up to $1 million. If it hasn't dipped, what you'll be having here will be more than $1 million. So let's come here. Can you see now? This is 920,709 $. Can you see it's even changing right now front? So when it gains value again, you will be able to get even more than $1 million. So that's how you can activate the coin. So now that we have activated the coin, let's check the history of the coin. So if you want to check the history of the coin, all you have to do is to come here and go to the chart section of the coin. Then let's look at all. This is 1 day chart. Let's look at all. Can you see here? So this is Car Life Chain history. This is summation, the summary of the coin. So it has market cap of $0 and volume. This is 24 hours trading volume of $11,000. So it have total supply of 10 trillion. And so let's check the year the coin came into existence. Can you see? This is August 6, 2018. That means this coin has been existing since August 6, 2018. It has been existing since 2018, 2019, 2020, 2021, which is the present moment we are now. It dipped 99% around July 17, 2020. It dipped by 99% till March 2021 before it gained value recently. So if we check the history of the coin, if we check it up on CoinMarketCap, it can be found on CoinMarketCap, which implies that the coin truly exists. The coin truly exists. The coin truly exists. But the issue here is that the one you activate on your Trust wallet by changing the digits to 0 or etc like that, it's not a valid one. It's not a valid one. Since Car Life Chain has been in existence, they have been giving their user free Car Life Chain token. And if they want to give you free, the real one you can get for free, you will only get 10 IOV for free, and not up to this 1 billion IOV. So this one we are having here, if we go to the custom token section and we try to add the token, it will bring 8 decimal. And this is telling you that the normal decimal for this coin is 8 decimal. So once you interact with the 8 and change it to another thing, that means you have changed the details of the coin and you are now having invalid token. The token you are having right now is not a valid token. The valid token should be added to your wallet with decimal of 8. With the decimal of 8. So far you have altered the 8, then you are having invalid token in your wallet. So the coin itself, it's not fake, but the accumulation and altering the details of the coin to forge it and get a urge value is what makes it fake. And here, as you're seeing it here, you cannot withdraw it. So let me show you an example. So if we should do it normally, here, let's say I paste it and I click on done without changing anything. I'll be given 10. Can you see? This is the normal one they are giving everyone. This is normal one they are giving everyone. And if eventually these people add liquidity to the coin, you'll be able to swap it. You'll be able to exchange it. But the one we're having, it's not valid token, and you cannot swap it. You cannot swap everything. So let's take a look at this. Let's say I used the normal one. Let's say I changed it to 0. Let's say I changed it to 0. Then I add it. Then I will be given the normal 1 billion, right? So okay, let me go to Uniswap. So let's check something out here. Let me go to Uniswap. So this Uniswap is compatible with ERC20 token. So if you want to swap ERC20 token, you come to Uniswap or other swap that are compatible with ERC20 token. Don't forget that I have changed the Kalife chain token to the normal one that everybody is having in their wallet, which is Decimal 0, and I'm having almost 1 billion Kalife chain in my balance. This is getting too long. What's going on? So here we come. So let's say I want to swap the token, right? What's going on? It's not even responding. Okay, so let me change it to select a token or paste address, swap. Okay, let me say I want to swap from Kalife chain to USDT. This Kalife chain, can you see? Can you see? This is Kalife chain, and it's showing balance of just 10, which is normal. Can you see? Even if I select maximum, if I click on max, it will still be 10. Can you see? It is 10, and it's loading. So can you see insufficient liquidity for this trade? The liquidity is locked for now, and what I want you to see here is that all the 10 billion or whatever you might have gotten from the manipulation we did in the trust wallet, it will not follow you here. So they will read normal details that the provider of the coin have been made available to the general public. So even if you have 10 billion worth of Kalife chain, it will not reflect here, and if you try to send it out to other wallets, the transaction might be truncated. So that is that about Kalife chain. The coin itself is real coin, and it has been existing since 2018, but changing the digits to 0, it's the method that everyone are using to get the excess value of the coin, and the excess value you get, you cannot swap it, and you cannot sell it. So if you want to activate the coin, maybe you might be thinking if there should be later update on it. Anything is possible. So you can just make sure you create a separate wallet, as I just did now. I create separate wallet for the purpose of this video. If you want to activate your own Kalife chain token, you can also create a separate wallet for the token and get it there, back up your phrase, and leave it there. If eventually your wish comes true, then I wish you best of luck. So, but according to the research we did before making this video, the 1 billion IOV token that will be given it's not withdrawable. You cannot withdraw it. You cannot swap it. It's just to be there in your wallet. That's that about that. I think I have shown you how to get the token. Can you see now? It's okay. Yes. Can you see it has changed already? It has changed to 1 million.3 US dollars before we even leave this place. This is because it has gained some value. So can you see it has gained value plus 10%? So that's what I'm talking about. Can you see now? It has changed to normal 1 million US dollars that everyone is having. So this is this is because of the fluctuation in the market. If you're familiar with cryptocurrency very well, this will not be strange to you. So that is that about that on how to activate the coin. You have told you how to activate it, and I think I have briefed you in the terms of the coin history, and I've be able to answer your question if you can withdraw it or not. So thanks for watching. Do have a wonderful day.